Hi guys, let me welcome you to another video. Today we do factorization. So the scenario goes as follows. It says factorize the following expressions fully. Leave your answer in the simplest form. So if you look at the first question, you have 3ab into a minus 4 minus 7a into a minus 4. And off the page you can see a minus 4 is a common factor. So you can factor that out. So you say it's equals to a minus 4. You're left with 3ab minus 7a. And we can see in the second factor that a is a common factor in that expression. So we can factor out a. So it's a minus 4 into a into 3b minus 7. And this can simply just be rewritten as a into a minus 4 3b minus 7. So let's move on to the next question. 2.1.2, we have x to the power 4 minus 16. So x to the power 4 can be written as x squared to the whole squared. So you can use the power rule. If you have a power to another power, if you have a power to another power, you must multiply the powers. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? So this is minus, and 16 is just 4 squared. So now you have the difference of squares. So this can be written as x squared minus 4, x squared plus 4. So now again, the first factor, you have the difference of squares. So this here, this 4 can be written as 2 squared, 2 squared. So this is the same as x plus 2, x minus 2, x squared plus 4. So moving on to the next question, 2.1.3. So it's 2.1.3 with 6x squared plus 7x plus 2. So to solve this, you need to find magic numbers. What I mean by that is, I'll explain what I mean by magic numbers. But first, what you need to do is you need to multiply the coefficient of the first term by the constant. And just write it somewhere. 6 times 2 is 12. So you have to find a pair of numbers such that when you multiply them, you get 12, and when you add them, you get the middle term, which is 7. So let's find those two numbers. Already you can see 4 plus 3 is 7, and 4 times 3 is 12. So the magic numbers in question is 4 and 3. So now you can split the middle term. You can say it's 6x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 2. So now you can use factorization by means of grouping. So this here becomes a group, and that becomes a group. So in the first factor, you can see 2 is common. So you can take out 2, and you'll be left 2x actually, and you'll be left with 3x plus 2 plus 3x plus 2. So in our new expression, we can see 3x plus 2 is a common factor. So you can factor that out. We'll get 3x plus 2. And what you're left with is 2x plus 1. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.